space my hand could grab a thing. Had made a yellow callus like the pads on kitty feet. I was strong and brave and longed to see the world just work itself from way up in the trees. For many years I climbed up to their tops. The wind would tell me stories when the wind would stop. I would watch them play below. They could not see me. Oh, I like to watch the world from the tops of trees. Winter did not mean stop. Winter was just a gift to rock. Rain just left its smell on me. Mostly I just like to watch. I took in the peace I got. Oh, I like to watch the world from the tops of trees. A tree won't think like people, but it knows every bit of information tells it when the wind blows, sends a cement packing. That's just what we need. But I like to watch the world from the tops of trees. I had ropes, I had shoes, I had fabulous coats, but my feet gripped their trunks better than any of those. I was not a social person, but I never missed a thing. Oh, I like to watch the world work from the tops of trees. Oh, I like